Here she is, Saviour. Got down about 0.7 last night. After an eventful night, so Magpie. So got down about 0 degrees last night. There was ice on in the tent. That's ice. So I moved from the park to the Hallett railway station. Anyway, brisk morning and a long trip to Burra. It's another old school site, so it says the plaque was placed at the site of the Banbury School in honour of old teachers and scholars on the 30th of April 88, Hallett Bicentennial Project. So just that, the Sir Hubert Wilkins. Nearly 40 years after his death, Sir Hubert Wilkins, explorer, pioneering, polar aviator, naturalist, and undoubtedly one of Australia's greatest adventures, slipped in the pages of history with barely a murmur. So this is the cottage. So this is interesting. So the water pipes feed down into this underground water storage area, and you can see they put a water pump on top so you could get your water. Peaceful and quiet. And look at that big tail! Woohoo! And then we got the little ones. Whoa! Whoa. The valley where I think Burra is. Certainly don't have to cross where the windmills are. 20 k's to go. Stayed in overnight accommodation at the lodge because I thought it was going to be too cold again. And it's meant to be getting down to 8 degrees, something like that. Riding between Burra and Clare on back roads, between wheat fields and Sorgum. Patterson's Curse. A lot of purple, bright purple.